Hey guys, so before we get into the makeup therapy session, I just quickly want to mention Penguin CBD gummies. If you guys watched my CBD gummies video, this is definitely a top favorite of mine. I've been using this almost every night to help me sleep, and it really calms me down a lot. These are like gummy worms, like sour gummy worms, so they taste really yummy. They don't leave a bitter taste in your mouth at all, and yeah, they taste good, they work, so I really enjoy these. I'll have their link in the description box below if you guys are interested. You guys know I love CBD and I only recommend the good stuff, so be sure to check them out. And if you like sour gummy worms, then this is the perfect one for you. That's it. Let's get right into the makeup therapy session.
Hey guys, welcome to my makeup therapy session. So as you can see, I decided to put some mini twists in my hair. I just wanted something low maintenance and kind of cute, so I went ahead and did that. My face is already prepped and bare, and yeah, I'm pretty much ready to get started with my makeup. I saw Alyssa Ashley do this a couple years ago, and I was really interested in trying to do my own, because sometimes I just want to put makeup on my face but don't necessarily want to be in front of the camera and explaining everything that I'm doing. And I find it personally therapeutic to watch somebody else put makeup on their face. So I decided, why not? This day I really just wanted to put makeup on my face and kind of use it as like a therapy session for myself. Sometimes if I'm feeling really low, then makeup just does the trick, because it's my way of expressing myself and it's my art. So it's something that occupies my mental space. When I feel that I'm just overwhelmed with so many emotions, it kind of takes my mind off of everything. I also find when I do my makeup like this that I'm more focused on actually getting everything done correctly, instead of trying to rush for a photo shoot or just to get a video done. It's just really much more therapeutic to sit down and pay attention to every single step. It brings back the passion that I have for makeup, and it really allows me to fully express myself and, I don't know, just feel good and sit down with myself. It's kind of like some sort of art therapy / meditation for me. I feel like some days can be really heavy, and we just have to find what works for us. For some people, that's meditation. For others, that's reading. For others, that's playing sports. Like, everybody has their own thing that helps them kind of get out of a funk and just takes up mental space, so you don't go around thinking about everything that is not going right currently in your life, or, you know, all of the sad stuff that kind of brings your energy down. For me, makeup is definitely one of those things. It's been hard because makeup has been like a part of my career, so I don't get time to just sit down and plan makeup as I typically do, because whenever I do feel like it, I have work to get done, so I just have to do some sort of look, some sort of specific look, or I just need to get my makeup done for this or that. So when time comes that I need something that is comforting, like this, like art, I'm kind of just over putting makeup on my face. And because I've had a little bit of a break, I just wanted to come back and do this video. It's like the perfect video to kind of bring me back into the groove of things. My energy hasn't been great, so yeah, I just wanted to share my therapy session with you guys. I also enjoy doing this really simple, natural makeup look. I typically try to go for heavier makeup when I'm doing my makeup for Instagram or just photo shoots and stuff like that. So I really do miss trying to focus on doing a more like, I don't know, like a natural / just enhancing what's already there type of makeup look, instead of like trying to change up my face structure. I think it's just super important to get moving when your energy is low. I've had plenty of days where I feel like, I just don't want to really get out of bed. I kind of just want to watch crap TV or drama-filled nonsense that really doesn't benefit me or anyone in any way. And that just never helps. It never alleviates anything. It's just so much better to not necessarily be productive, but get your body moving. Even if you are going to just put makeup on for no reason, to just wipe it off right after, or do like a 5-minute workout, or make yourself a smoothie, something that requires you to actually like physically get up, and that's going to make you feel even a little bit better after. Sometimes you do need those pick-me-ups. We can't rely on them to fully make us happy every single day. That's kind of like putting a band-aid over it, but it's definitely worth doing something like that every now and then when your energy is super duper low and you just need a quick little pick-me-up. I would like to know what you guys do to get you out of a funk, and if you're feeling really low, what do you tend to do, and if it's helpful for you or not. If it's not helpful, then maybe it's time to reconsider, but if it's helpful, I'd definitely love to know what those activities are. I just want to again say thank you so much to all of you who have sent so much love and positive vibes my way. I definitely feel it. I feel uplifted whenever I read you guys' positive comments, and I send my condolences to all of you guys who have lost someone as well. Tough times make for stronger people, so we'll get through it one day at a time. And thank you guys again so much. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, by the way, I had to share this Lancome PR package that I received. I was so happy to get this. You know, I was just really happy. I get really happy when I receive a PR package, especially from something that I've had a previous connection with before, because it just, I don't know, it just feels like I came a long way, and I'm just so grateful. So yeah, just wanted to share that with you guys.
Okay, you guys, so this is the look that I came up with. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup therapy session and video. If you guys enjoyed it, then let me know in the comments down below and I'll do some more. I was thinking that this could be really therapeutic also if I were to do like a skincare. If you guys want to see something like that, then let me know in the comments down below. And once again, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!